Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the topic machine learning ethics, uses and abuses. Machine learning is a simple tool that assists us in making sense of the world complex data. It can be used for good or evil, and machine learning leads to problems when it is applied so broadly or callously that humans are treated as lab rats or mindless consumers. For this reason, those using machine learning or data mining would be remiss not to consider the ethical implications of the art. One possibly apocryphal tale concerns a large retailer in the US that employed machine learning to identify expected mothers for coupon mailings. The retailer hoped that if these mothers to be received substantial discounts, they would become loyal customers who would later purchase profitable items like diapers, baby formulas, and toys. Equipped with machine learning models, the retailer identified items in the customer purchase history that could be used to predict with a high degree of certainty not only whether a woman was pregnant but also approximate timing for when the baby was due. And whether completely true or not, the lesson learned from the preceding tale is that common sense should be applied before blindly applying the results of a machine learning analysis. With a bit more care, the retailer could have foreseen this scenario and used greater discretion while choosing how to reveal the pattern its machine learning analysis had discovered. In such cases, you may need to fully de identify these people by excluding any potentially identifying data in addition to the protected information. Machine learning ethics and bias. There are different types of machine learning ethics biases, pre-existing and dataset biases, technical and context biases. The importance of context in machine learning, the context of algorithm implementation, algorithm impact assessment, algorithm for assessing bias and supporting ethical engineering. The future of artificial intelligence and machine learning depends on developers taking responsibility. And the next is uses of machine learning. There are mainly three categories of machine learning applications, that is detection, prediction, and generation. In detection, there are different types: text and speech detection, image interpretation, human behavior and identity, abuse and fraud. Prediction, there are movie recommendations or any recommendations, individual behavior and condition, collective behavior prediction. Then generation, visual art generation, music genre generation, text generation, design generation. With machine learning, we have many uses. We can easily identify the unwanted spam messages in email, segmentation of customer behavior for targeted advertising, forecast of weather behavior and long-term climate changes, reduction of fraudulent credit card transaction, actuarial estimates of financial damage of storms and natural disasters, prediction of popular election outcomes, development of algorithms for autopiloting drones and self-driving cars, optimization of energy use in homes and office buildings, projection of areas where criminal activity is most likely, discovery of genetic sequences linked to diseases. Machine learning is most successful when it augments rather than it replaces the specialized knowledge of a subject matter expert. It works with medical doctors at the forefront of the fight to eradicate cancer, assist engineers and programmers with our efforts to create smarter homes and automobiles, and help social scientists build knowledge of how societies function. And it is employed in countless business, scientific laboratories, hospitals, and government organizations. Any organizations that generates or aggregates data likely employs at least one machine learning algorithm to help make sense of it. First one is speech and text recognition. While using Google, we get an option of search by voice. It comes under speech recognition. and a popular application of machine learning, example Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, and Alexa. And the next one is image recognition. Image recognition is one of the most common applications of machine learning. It is used to identify objects, persons, places, digital images, etc. The popular use case of image recognition and face detection is automatic friend tagging suggestion. The next one is recommendation, product recommendation. And product recommendation is widely used in e-commerce and entertainment companies such as Amazon, Netflix, etc. And these are the major applications of machine learning. And the next is abuses of machine learning. With regard to such a short time frame, deep fakes present considerable potentials for a range of malicious and criminal purposes, which includes destroying the image and credibility of an individual, harassing or humiliating individuals online, perpetrating extortion and fraud, facilitating document fraud, falsifying online identities and fooling KYC mechanism, falsifying or manipulating electronic evidence for criminal justice investigations, disrupting financial marketing. And these are the abuses. Thank you.